Here at Target Roofing and Sheet Metal, many of our customers think the only chance homeowners insurance is covering the whole roof replacement is if the entire roof is severely damaged. We're here to tell you in our experience, that's not necessarily the case. Under certain circumstances, you can get a completely new roof even if the damage seems minimal. State law mandates that homeowners insurance must replace the material on the damaged portion of your roof. If it's not possible to repair that damaged material to match the color, size, and quality of the undamaged portions, the insurance company is then required to replace that entire section of roof from the ridgeline down to the edge, which brings us to the 25% rule. According to Florida's building code, on roof assemblies and rooftop structures, if more than 25% of the roof needs to be repaired, then the entire roof must be replaced to ensure it conforms to the current code requirements. So even though the damage may seem minimal, there could be an opportunity for an entire roof replacement with your insurance claim. So if you have questions and your roof has sustained minor damage and you'd like to know whether you're qualified for a full roof replacement, please contact us at Target Roofing and Sheet Metal.